How to set limit order on Pancakeswap. In order to do it, you first need to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application, because we are going to use Trust Wallet in order to connect with our Pancakeswap and use it to set the limit order on it. So once you are in your Trust Wallet application, tap on the Discover tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then use the search bar, and here you need to simply search for Pancakeswap. Once done, you need to tap on pancakeswap.finance and you will be landed on the official website of Pancakeswap. Over here, tap on the connect button first in the top right hand corner of the screen and select Trust Wallet, and you need to just simply connect your Trust Wallet with your Pancakeswap. Now once you have done this step, by default you will be on the swap tab, but you need to tap on the limit option because we want to set our limit order. Now after tapping on the limit option, you will be able to see the entering things. So you just have to simply enter the amount of token that you want to purchase, and you can even select your tokens. So you just have to simply do that and tap on the limit buy order in the bottom in order to set your limit order on Pancakeswap. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.